Hello and welcome to History. I'm Mrs. Allen, and this video is really aimed at those students doing AQA GCSE History and the topic Health and the People. This guide will solely focus on how to answer the exam questions. The paper includes 4 questions. Number 1 asks how useful a source is. Number 2 asks you to explain the significance. Number 3 is a comparison question. And number 4 looks at the importance of factors. The first question is worth 8 marks and you should spend about 10 minutes on this question. This answer needs to be tackled in 3 parts. Firstly looking at the content, then the provenance, and then saying overall how useful the source is. This is a model answer from the AQA website. Pause the video and have a read. I've highlighted the different things that you need to cover. The first 3 highlighted sections cover the content. The next set of highlighted sections cover the provenance, and the final sentence that is highlighted is the one that answers the question giving the overall usefulness of the source. The next question is a significance question. It is also worth 8 marks and therefore you should spend 10 minutes on it. In this answer you need to identify discoveries, developments, and include key people and dates. Importantly, you need to address both the long and short-term impact. This first paragraph that's been highlighted shows the short-term impact. The next paragraph is the long-term impact. The final section addresses the impact on the modern day. Once again, this was taken from the AQA website. The next question is the comparison question. Again, this is worth 8 marks and therefore you need to spend 10 minutes on it. The question will most likely ask how 2 events are similar. You need to identify the reasons for this by looking at the causes and also the developments. The first section highlighted shows how the Black Death and cholera were similar because of their causes. And the second highlighted section shows how the Black Death and cholera were similar because of the developments. Once again, this example comes from the AQA website. The final question is worth 16 marks with an additional 4 marks for SPAG. You should take 20 minutes on this question. You're expected to be able to talk about 3 different factors when answering this question. One being the factor that's given in the question, and then 2 additional factors. Each paragraph needs to be structured by giving a point, some evidence, and an explanation linking to the question. In the conclusion, make sure you focus on the question and include all of the factors that you looked at in your previous paragraphs. Don't bring in any other factors at this stage. I hope you found that useful. Now it's time for you to get practicing.